Photoshop CS5 comes with a whole bunch of really neat features, but one feature that seems to be underlooked at is the new noise reduction feature within Camera Raw. Dealing with noise in an image is always a nuisance, and the end result usually doesn't come out very well. Well, with Photoshop CS5, reducing noise is now a lot more effective. This feature is found in Camera Raw 6.0, which comes with Photoshop CS5. The image in front of us was taken at the Metro Zoo in Miami. Now unfortunately, this little guy, which by the way looks perfect for a Budweiser commercial, was behind a reflective piece of glass. We'll need to do a little bit of editing to make this image a little bit more clear. Now you'll notice as I go through some of the adjustments, a lot of the detail in the image is lost, leaving quite a bit of noise behind. And while the overall image is starting to look a little bit more attractive, I'd love to be able to get rid of the noise as well. Let's head up to the Detail tab at the top. Now at the bottom we have our noise reduction section. The color sliders typically won't do a whole lot of anything, so don't get frustrated if it's not giving you a nice result. We want to focus on the luminance sliders. And like magic, as I start to drag the slider to the right, you'll notice that the noise is starting to disappear. But the most important thing to look at is that the detail of the image is more or less kept intact. It's incredible. Most noise reduction methods simply just blur the area where you want to reduce that noise. But with Photoshop CS5, it actually analyzes the surrounding areas and gives you a much more desirable result. And of course, if you want to add some extra detail, you can increase the detail and contrast sliders as well. This feature is definitely a long overdue addition to Photoshop. Especially when shooting at a high ISO, effectively removing noise is extremely important. Stay tuned for more Photoshop CS5 videos.